Hi, this tutorial is about using the Texas format for writing paragraphs or essays. I'm going to give you the example of writing a paragraph that fits in with a task we have in class at the moment, which is our fact file. And at the end of our fact file, we have a paragraph that we need to write explaining how our topic links to the causes of World War II. The topic I'm going to talk about is that of the invasion of Manchuria. So I'm going to go through Texas and write my paragraph with you so you can see each step of the way. Of course, we start with the T for topic sentence, and our topic sentence must clearly state the point for the paragraph. And this here is my topic sentence. The invasion of Manchuria is an important factor to consider when discussing the causes of World War II. So done, topic sentence. So we're going to move this one out of the way now, and we're coming up to the explain, the next letter in our Texas. So when you explain, we need to go into detail about the context of our topic to give the reader more information. And here we need to include anything you think they might need to know. So let's get back to our paragraph. We have our topic sentence here, and now I'm going to add in our next few sentences. So the explanation of our topic sentence comes here, and I've written, the Japanese army invaded Manchuria in 1932 with the excuse they were protecting their economic interests, but would not leave when ordered to do so by the League of Nations and their own government. So you can see in this next part of my paragraph, I'm giving the reader information that I think they might need to know to be able to understand what it is I'm trying to say and the point of my paragraph. So let's move this out of the way again and bring back our poster. And now we're looking at the X, which is where we're going to give an example. So the important thing here is that your example backs up your argument. So I'm going to come back to my paragraph and add my example into my paragraph so you can see how it works. So my example that's going to go into my paragraph is the other aggressive nations, such as Germany and Italy, saw this as proof that the League of Nations was unwilling to do anything but talk and would not stop them from pursuing their own expansion. Tactics. So now I'm going to pop that all together into my paragraph, and I'm going to slide it over here for the moment. I'm going to bring back our poster so that we can have a look, and we know that now what we are doing is the analysis. We need to explain how our example backs up our argument. If you like, you can actually start this bit off by saying this shows. So not only do you give me the example, you have to analyze it. You have to tell me what does it show. So my analysis of my example is this. This shows that not only could Japan continue to expand, but also that Germany and Italy felt they could move ahead with occupying other nations without any real repercussions from the League of Nations. Now, the next thing that I want to do is the last thing that we want to do, and this is the summary. It's just going to be one simple sentence, or more if you like, reaffirming your topic statement. And if you are using more than one example, this would be your switch, and you would repeat your example, analysis, and summary at the end. So let's get this out of the way, and I'm going to show you a really simple summary for this paragraph. So my summary is a very simple sentence, and it just says the Japanese occupation of Manchuria was a significant event in the lead up to World War II. So now we look at my paragraph all put together, and you can see how you can increase the information that your paragraphs contain by using this Texas format. So my paragraph reads like this. The invasion of Manchuria is an important factor to consider when discussing the causes of World War II. The Japanese army invaded Manchuria in 1932 with the excuse they were protecting their economic interests, but would not leave when ordered to do so by the League of Nations and their own government. The other aggressive nations, such as Germany and Italy, saw this as proof that the League of Nations was unwilling to do anything but talk and would not stop them from pursuing their own expansion tactics. This shows that not only could Japan continue to expand, but also that Germany and Italy felt they could move ahead with occupying other nations without any real repercussions from the League of Nations. The Japanese occupation of Manchuria was a significant event in the lead up to World War II. So let's quickly go back over this. This pink line is underlining for us now the topic sentence. Now we're using a blue line to underline our explanation and elaboration. We're giving more information here about our topic sentence. Our purple line here is underlying our example, and our example must link to our topic sentence as well. Our yellow line is underlying our analysis of our example, and it often starts with this shows. And finally, in green, we finish off our our paragraph with our summary. And there you have it, an example of a Texas paragraph. I hope this helps you, and remember to go back and view this whenever you need a bit of extra help writing your own paragraphs. Of course, once you've written that paragraph, you would need to go back and do some careful editing to fix your punctuation and enhance the meaning of your writing.